Hello and welcome you viewers. You are watching the afternoon market update from Nirmal Bang. I'm Hiral Dadia. Very quickly, if you go to see, we did open up with a pretty much optimistic start in today's day of trade. However, it seems that we've not been able to hold on to those gains, and we've clearly given up those gains in term post market opening. In fact, one thing we need to note over here is that if you see in terms of Nifty 50 as well, we had indicated in our morning update as well that 12,150, that is a crucial level that we need to watch out for, and that's something that Nifty has been holding on to in spite of gyrating between gains as well as losses. Similar is the fashion in terms of the Sensex as well. It's managed to hold on to its crucial level of almost around 41,500 levels in today's session, and clearly there are gyrations coming in the broader markets as well, and still you are seeing a better performance from the broader markets as compared to the benchmark indices. Very quickly, if you see in terms of Bank Nifty, the pressure has continued on the financials, and that's something that is having an impact on the markets today as well. It's the second consecutive session where Bank Nifty is trading in the red. If you see in terms of Nifty Bank, it's down almost little over 250 points, seeing cuts of almost around 8 tenths to 9 tenths of a percent in trade. And simultaneously, if you see in terms of where the other sectors are concerned, one sector that we need to note in today's session is with regards to where the telecom counters go. That has seen huge gyrations. You have Vodafone, Idea, Bharti, Infratel that have been trading under pressure. However, Bharti Airtel, after swinging into losses, has come back seeing gains as well, in spite of the kind of verdict that has come in from the Supreme Court as well with relation to AGR. If you see in terms of other counters, SpiceJet, ONGC as well as Glenmark, there is continuous focus on these counters on the back of Q3 earnings that will be reported. And in terms of the advanced decline ratio, in spite of there being negativity in the markets, the advanced decline ratio is still favoring the bulls right now. But slowly the stride is turning towards a neutral base. On the macro front, you have the Jan WTI inflation data that is out right now. That's coming at around 3.1%. So that's something that we need to watch out for as well. And very interestingly, there has been a mild cool off that has come in terms of where the food inflation data goes. So that's going to be something that is supporting the inflation numbers. Very quickly, in terms of where stocks go, again, you have Yes Bank, a second consecutive session, smart gains coming in on that counter. 5.5% up move on Yes Bank. You have Bharti Airtel, which is now up 4% after swinging into losses. BPCL continues the up move post numbers as well as the divestment plan, which has been approved. So a 3% up move coming in on BPCL. You have UPL as well as Tata Motors as well from Nifty 50, which is seeing smart gains. Whereas on the losing front, you have Bharti Infratel, GAIL, IndusInd Bank, Power Grid, Eicher Motors, all seeing losses to the tune of almost around 2 to 5% in trade. Moving away from NSE, if you see in terms of where, even the Sensex components go, in fact, on BSE, you have Jindal Saw, Deepak Nitrite, AstraZeneca, DHFL as well as Eveready. These are few of the top gainers, seeing gains in the range of almost around 5 to 8% as we speak. And if you see in terms of losers as well, you have Idea, which is down almost around 12 to 13% in trade. You have PC Jewelers, again a penny stock, Hindustan Copper, IFCI, HSCL. These are few of the top losers as well on BSE. So that's how overall the markets are looking like. And in terms of individual sectors as well, very quickly, if you go to see, Telecom continues the up move, and that's mainly led by Bharti Airtel. That's one of the highest contributors there. You have healthcare as well as energy, which are seeing some bit of gains. In fact, a second consecutive session of gains coming in for the healthcare sector. Whereas if you see on the utility losing side, you have utilities, power, as well as BankX. So again, the financials are the ones that are causing some bit of trouble for the second consecutive session. In fact, that's all that we have for you in the afternoon update. Please stay tuned to get more updates and subscribe to the Nirmal Bang channel as well to get more calls, more strategies for you to trade. Thanks for watching.